What's up, everyone? I'm going to show you how in 2 minutes you can automate your entire meta ads reporting pipeline, as well as share this with your team and put this on a schedule so that way you have AI analysis and agents working for you 24/7 for you and your clients. This is what we've done to scale up and manage over 10 million in spend monthly, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it through Growthub AI. So first, what you want to do is make sure you have an account and you're signed in. Then you're going to go to Growthub Max Mode. This is our new mode that allows long-running AI agent tasks, and you could think of this as a pipeline. So you want to go to View Directory to find this, and you'll be able to find your meta ads. Just make sure, of course, that you've connected your meta ads account in the integration section. Once it's selected, all of your ad accounts will show up here, and you could select them in the dropdown. And there's going to be 3 different snapshots. These snapshots are critical because they're going to give the AI full ability to actually see and peer into your account and get the full holistic view. So whether you want to look at the traffic, so like specific CTR clicks, this can be critically important for top of the funnel, depending on the type of objective you're aiming for. The engagements as well is going to give you a lot of critical insight and analysis on the creative side of things. And then actually conversions, so how the ad performance to landing page is actually working, and then making sure that you actually have a solid ROAS as well as CTR and cost per impressions, right? So those are the 3 different snapshots that we utilize and we put on automation. So that way every single week our clients get these automated reports, and I'm going to show you how you could do the same. So once you have it selected, what you're going to want to do is specify your actual intended objective or what you're trying to achieve. So say that you're a marketing agency and you're onboarding a new client. This is our process. And what we will do is actually for any new client, one thing is auditing and getting an understanding of what's going on in their account, what's working, what's not. You don't need to overthink this. I would keep the prompt very simple. You can also add in your own context through the brand kit fidelity. I recommend this too. You can combine the brand kit example here. And then of course you could put in knowledge items for even further skills. This is going to be helpful. Those are 2 ways that you could actually enhance significantly the outputs. Not necessary though. So how to improve the performance of the account to drive more sales? Relatively straightforward. Say you were below a certain benchmark or KPI on ROAS, you could specifically state that you want to increase the ROAS and you're looking for ways to do so. So after you actually generate, you're going to configure through this custom panel, and then it's going to take about 30 seconds. So here's our first example that are generated. It's giving us a full KPI report. In this case, I was looking at the overall spend and clicks side of things. So it's not really looking at conversion side because this brand is high ticket spend. Also able to look at the creative analysis spend, the top performers, and then we're going to get recommendations as well. That's critical for actually improving performance overall. So inside the dual pane, we have the actual fully editable meta ads report. And this is where you'll be able to use this draggable sidebar. You can have full access to edit these. You can see down here in the bottom, you have your headings, your font controls, you could bold. You can actually split these up as well by doing so, such as this. You can add a block, and then it will out here, you can see. And then we can actually just drag these up however you want. Say you want to take the KPIs review, like this section, where it's just showing some basic analysis, right? So that gives you an idea, right, of how you actually can fully customize these reports. And then I want to save this, make sure that's in place. We have our top performing creative analysis. It links us back to these in the ads library in the account. And we're working on bringing in more functionality as well to this analysis for further follow-ups. It also saves to a knowledge table, so all this data can be further queried inside of the chat from your agents. So it's not just a one-time thing. You have this context, and you can think of this thread as a full work session. So inside of this work session now, you could always come back to this and you'll be able to access this data. You could also now put this on a schedule. So with this specific prompt, in this case, I was looking for high-ticket conversion ways to improve the ads. And what you can do is where you can also download this. So once you're satisfied with the overall report and the structure, as mentioned, you have full ability to customize these reports. You could change everything that's necessary. You can download them. Here is an example of the download for the meta ads performance report. It's a very clean performance report. Again, I didn't go above and beyond to do this. It took less than a minute. Now we're coming out with many more export options, like to Gamma, to Google Sheets, to Google Slides, and also to our Slides agent. For the moment, you can download PDF as I just showed you with that clean report style. You can actually share these with collaborators on your team seamlessly. They'll get an email invite and then they can access this directly, which is perfectly within this thread, and they can continuously expand on this. And then the last part, now that you want to schedule out this meta ads recurring report, right? You can see the schedule preview here every Monday, weekly at 9 a.m. It's going to be able to schedule this out. It's going to email it to you as well, and your agent will be able to perform the similar analysis. It's going to give you the best performing creatives, right? It's going to give you an executive summary and ways that you can actually kick things off and significantly improve performance. So this is an overall upgrade, and you get agents working for you 24/7. And this is just one way in which we're utilizing agents. Now I can show you a few other ways that we're utilizing Google Analytics, but this is just one provider and one integration channel. We have Shopify, we have Google Analytics, Google Ads, and many others coming very, very soon. So you can think about the powers when you give agents multiple data channels. So all of your schedules go under here under the scheduled agents. So you'll be able to see that there. So say that you wanted just further clarification in the chat, from the report, you could totally ask for this because, as mentioned, all of your reports on schedule are always frozen and you'll be able to re-access them at any time for it. So you can actually have agents go and analyze your own AI generated reports and then just go deeper too. So this is a great way to keep the feedback loop going and really make iterative decisions, especially helpful in creative strategy. I hope you found this video helpful. Definitely let me know if you have any questions at all. Please leave a like, and if you're finding this content valuable, subscribe to the channel. It truly helps. But it's Antonio. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.